children.
Hello, children. Today I will tell you about something very interesting and useful. It is about tables. Tables help us organize information in a simple and clear way. Let us see how the forest residents deal with this topic. On the meadow by the forest, Bunny and Hedgehog met. Bunny, as usual, full of energy, started telling Hedgehog that tables are like magical sheets that organize information by themselves. Hedgehog, a bit shy but curious, asked if that was true. Bunny was sure it was, but I must tell you that tables do not do anything by themselves. You need to fill them with information for them to be useful. This time on the meadow, Deer and Mouse met. Deer, gentle and empathetic, began explaining to Mouse that tables help us organize data, like the results of different games. Mouse, curious and quickly understood that tables are not magic, but a tool that helps us better understand and compare different information. I can tell you that tables have columns and rows that help us organize everything. On the meadow, Mole and Squirrel appeared. I asked them how to organize the results of collecting nuts in a table. Mole, full of enthusiasm, said that one column could list the days of the week, and the other could show the number of nuts collected that day. Squirrel, always on the move, added that they could also include a column for the places where the nuts were found that day. Both animals were right, and I am very proud of them. Children, today we learned that tables help us organize information in a clear way. They have columns and rows that make it easier for us to understand data. Remember, we have to fill them with information. See you next time.